We are going to go through Google Classroom, how to bookmark it, how to access your reading logs and turn in an assignment, as well as finding the About page for professional email templates and your classroom library. Please open up Chrome. In the search bar, type in Google Classroom. Choose the first option here. Once everybody is in Google Classroom, you might need to sign in if this is your first time signing in on your Chromebook. Go ahead. Then you are going to add Google Classroom to your bookmarks bar. You can see up here that I have quite a few things on my bookmarks bar. In order to do that, you click the star in the search bar, and it asks you for the name and also where. Please make sure that it is on bookmarks bar. When you are finished, press done. Teachers, please pause to make sure all scholars are logged in and have been able to make a bookmark of Google Classroom on their Chrome. Now, many of you, especially if you had me last year, remember how to join a class on Google Classroom. What you are going to do, once you're on your home page, this is what we consider your home page when you can see all of the classes that you are enrolled in. You are going to go up to the plus button and click Join Class. You are then going to enter the specific code in order to join your classes. At this time, please make sure that you are enrolling in your homeroom and all of the classes on your one-page document that is on your desk. You also will need to refer to your schedule so you register for the appropriate classes during the appropriate times. Teachers, please make sure that scholars now register or enroll in all of their classes. Now we are going to go through how to access your reading log and what that's going to look like each week. So I'm actually going to go into Dartmouth St. Vincent as a student. So it shows you exactly what you will see when you click on your homeroom. So please click on your homeroom that you have just registered for. So you can see here that this is the homepage for Dartmouth St. Vincent. We're on the stream right now, and you can tell because it is highlighted. This is where you will find all of your assignments, most of which being your reading log. Right here we have the Wonder Book Club. We will be getting to that in just a few minutes. Please do not worry about classroom libraries. We will also be getting to that. So scroll down to see where it says reading log. Every Monday, your reading log is due. It is different than last year because we do not have it in paper. It is only digital on Google Classroom. You can see here that you have not submitted it because it's not yet due. It's due August 29th, which is next Monday. There are two ways that I can open this. I can just hover over reading log until it underlines and I can click that, or I can press open. It then brings me to a page like this. You are going to click on this link that says Dartmouth St. Vincent Reading Log, and it has my name here. That means it is particular and specific just to you. No one else will be able to edit this. So please go ahead, open this up. Teachers, please pause to make sure all scholars are on the reading log page. The reading log this year is a little different. Instead of reading 45 minutes a night, you are going to be reading 30 pages. We will talk about why this is in just a few minutes. So while you are editing this, you are going to fill it out exactly as you would when you were doing your paper reading log. So if my title is, or my book is The Outsiders, I will put the author, I will put the level, I'll put fiction, nonfiction, I'll put how many pages I read. Please make sure that you are not putting just the whole number of pages, because you need to understand and you need to know where you left off in order to start there the next time you read. Also, please make sure that when you are in independent reading during school, that you fill out the total pages at school. And then when you are at home, you are filling out the portion that says total pages at home. Now, everything on Google apps, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, all of it saves automatically, so you don't actually need to save. All you need to do is exit out. If I want to check in on it again, maybe the next day, I open it up and everything that I have written is already right in there. Now I'm going to show you how to turn in your reading log assignment. It is due every Monday at 9 a.m. and you can see that it says that right there. So in order to turn in, you simply press this blue button that says turn in. Are you sure you want to turn in your work? Yep. Turn in. Now Miss Bromley and Miss Perkins will get an email saying that I am finished and that I am done. If for some reason I submitted it before I wanted to, I can go ahead and click unsubmit. Teachers, pause for questions to make sure all scholars understand how to turn in and access their reading logs. So scholars, every single Monday, when one reading log is due, the next reading log will post. For example, on Monday, August 29th, this will say that it is due, and then you will have a new reading log that posts automatically at the top. The more recent the post, the higher up it is on your stream. Now, there are a couple of things that we don't want to scroll down to find every single time. And so those are some class materials that we can find on the About page. Please click the About page. You will see here that we have two different items. The first is an email template. We are focusing this year on making sure that all of our emails are written professionally. So you will be writing professional emails and you may use this as a template. Please understand that if you do not write in a professional manner, your teachers will simply guide you back to this template before we can help you with what you need. The other thing is the homeroom libraries. This is where you will find access to the library, which we will be going through more in depth in just a few minutes. Another cool thing about the About page is that you have your teachers here, and you can just click this to email them. So if I want to send Ms. Bromley an email using the professional email template, I can simply just click on her name right here. Another very cool thing that we will be going over more on Friday is Google Calendar. So I can go here and open up Google Calendar and I can see all of the things that I have due coming up. Mine obviously looks different than yours since I am a teacher. Again, we will go through exactly what that looks like on Friday. Teachers, please pause for questions. This is the end of the Google Classroom and Reading Logs segment.